What's good, YouTube? Appreciate you guys tuning in. Welcome to the channel. My first video. This is my dog Angel. Coming in, getting a low taper on the sides and in the back. Also getting this beard done. To start off, I'm going ahead and clearing my canvas with a number 3. Just getting my canvas ready for this magic that we about to get done. You know what I mean? Next, I'm going in with my clippers, making my ball line, my zero close. I like to go over it with my FX trimmers just to make it super bald, but that just might be a thing that I do. You know what I mean? So then I go with my shaver, of course. Now, to get into the fading process, take my clipper, go with the zero open, about 1/4 of an inch. Then I fade down personally. So I close my lever accordingly and work my way down to the line and get it blurry. I don't make another guideline until the guideline I'm working on is as blurry as possible. You know what I mean? Now I'm going with the 1. I'm going right under that with the half guard, closing that accordingly as I work my way down to the line. Then I'm going in with the 1.5, and I should be going in with the 1 right under that. I'm doing the same thing, working that lever. After that, I like to throw a line on there. You know what I mean? Like to get that line up, just a little rough draft, you know what I'm saying? Just to see what I'm looking at, what I'm working with. Usually in the middle of the fade, I like to throw a line on there just so I can see any inconsistencies. It just helps me, you know what I mean? That's just me, you know what I mean? But we'll come back later and make it even more crispy with the straight blade, you know? Now I'm going in, I'm detailing, pretty much fading down in this scenario, you know what I'm saying? Now, while I'm there, I might as well get around the ear. I like to pay attention to detail when getting around the ear. It's the little things, people. It's the little things, you know? Gotta work the corner of the clipper, you know what I mean? The corner, best friend. Now I'm getting onto the beard. Pretty much doing the same process I did above, but upside down. Lever open, about 1 inch. Working it closed as I approach the line. Had to tap it with the FX in this case. You know, his beard can be kind of coarse towards the sideburn area, so you kind of have to wrestle with it. You know what I mean? You could do your whole fading process, but you look at it, and you might be like, "Damn, that thing still ain't blurry." So you gotta, stack guard, do whatever it takes, do what it gotta do to make that thing look right. Still detailing pretty much. Just trying to work the mirror, check our video, just trying to get different angles so you can see the cut. Now I'm throwing a line on it. Like I said, in the middle of my fades, I like to throw a line on it just to see how it's coming along, what the big picture is looking like. And like I said before, sometimes you throw that line on there, it helps you to see the inconsistencies more. Now I'm working on the bite. Hitting it with number 2, I believe. Clearing the canvas, like I said, for this magic. Now look at that thing, that little fade in the front. That thing looking blurry right there, ain't it? Anyways, I like to stab with my clipper instead of my trimmers because wise man once said, whatever you make the line with is what you're gonna use to get rid of the line. So I don't like stabbing with my trimmers to make my fades. That's just me personally. You let me know what you guys think. Now I'm going in about 1 inch. No, about a 1/2 inch. I'm tripping. Sometimes people's hair go different directions on their neck. So you gotta get that wrist action. You know what I mean? Get that wrist juice working. You gotta follow the flow of the hair. Whichever direction the hair is going, you gotta go against that to get that fade going. So the back of his head could be very tricky. So I gotta work my lever, play with it, and be on point. Now I'm going in with the half guard. one up about a 1/4 inch. Working the same process, working that lever close accordingly to ensure that it's a McBlurry. You know what I mean? Now I'm going in with the 1.5. Going right under it with the 1. You know, taking my time, making sure everything looks proper. At this time, like I said, throw a line on that thing, see what it's looking like, see if you got any lines that are sticking out that you might need to go back, touch up, detail. Always make sure your lines correspond with the lines that are going around the ear, because sometimes people will line people's back of the neck up and it won't look right when it meets the line around the ear, if you know what I'm saying. You gotta like step back and look at the natural flow of their head. Now we're going to under the neck, touching them lines up, making sure they're crispy. And we got to do what it do. There's always different ways to do the bottom of the neck. I like to ask my clients beforehand, like that full look, or they like the beard to ride the jawline. In this case, he likes semi-full look. You know what I'm saying? The Ross look, you know what I mean, as some would say. Now we're going with our blade work. We got our Tune 45 shave gel already applied on the face. Now we're going in, making this thing crispy. As I said before, guys, this is my first YouTube video. I'm new to this whole content creating thing, but best believe once I get the gist, I'm gonna be at it, like a crack addict, you know what I mean? At this point, I like to make my lines as far as my edge up. I do it by the ear first, and then I go by the mustache. Make that line real quick, and then I connect the two. Just so I can share the swoopage. You know, the swoop in the beard. You gotta make sure that thing is just stellar, you know what I mean? But like I said, once I get the gist of this whole editing and stuff, yeah, man, we're gonna be doing this thing regularly. Y'all just let me know in the comments if y'all ever want to see any types of haircuts. Have any questions. You know, I'm always a student to the game, so I'm always learning. So if you feel like there's anything better I can do, you let me know. I am but a man in this world, learning day by day, you know? So yeah, we just finishing up my dog Angel, making sure he's spiffy so he can conquer his day, attack the day, make it worthwhile. I think this is about it, guys. There you go. Final product straight off the press. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I think it's pretty good. I appreciate you guys coming by. Thank you. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and notification button, man. And until next time.